let's face it, yellow lights are just not that great. So today we have some LEDs we're going to be throwing in our WagonR. Not doing a review here, but man, the housing is all metal and it's really heavy. So this is boding well so far. Okay, this very well might not even work because I don't have any ballasts or external power or CAN buses or anything, but okay, moment of truth. Orange halogen. Yeah. So, whoa, that's bright. All right, there you go. Well, those will burn in 6 weeks, but it's gonna be fun while we're doing it. Now, something else I gotta change is that yellow side marker there. Yuck, where's that? There you are. Good way to test if it's even gonna work, obviously, before you put it in, hook it back up to the harness you just had it in and see if it lights up. There you go. Nice. Oh, dude, that looks absolutely sick. That looks way better. You know, you get a little bit more of a modern feel, honestly. You get 2017 plus on that side, and then you get 1996 Saturn SC2 on this side. That side's got to switch. Don't throw these out, by the way. Your OEMs need to be kept. Damn, that's hot. And honestly, with the lights on, you can't tell how crap this headlight is, because it's a little on the yellowish side, but we have a solution. I mean, I don't really know, but we have this, and I bought it for $6, and it was on the end cap of a supermarket we went to, so I'm just gonna try it out. Okay, it says refer to the box. Make sure the headlight's clean. It says sand it left and right, up and down, then flip it over and use the clean side to wipe it off. 2 to 3 hours letting it sit is good for adhesion. Okay, let's give it a shot. This doesn't have any difference in pile than the one I have. Watch this just be like a little tiny bottle of liquid wax and it do nothing. You know, I'm almost certain I could have done that with anything, including toothpaste, but it did get off all this yellow crap. This towel is visibly yellow. And now the light looks great. Yep, I'm just gonna go ahead and say likely that was marketing and anything would have done that, but hell, it is looking better. So we're pretty much done for the day. We got nothing else on the go. We are going to find a sports intake for this car, but it can't be done till I finish inspection because they'd probably fail me if I show up with some jank short ram intake on a car that is not made for it. So that's pretty much it. Enjoy the rest of this video, me walking into 7-Eleven and getting a coffee. Straight from the mountains of Kilimanjaro, I guess.